I know it's been a while, but I'm back. I've just had a lot of things going on in my life. So I've been doing some research. I kind of want to show you guys what I've been looking at. I just spent $10 on these, and there's one of them I couldn't get because I need USDT, and it's just complicated right now. But I am planning on getting it, so you guys are probably going to get it before I do. But I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take any financial advice from me. I just share what I'm doing for my friends that are all over the world, especially now that I'm doing my documentary. If you want to check it out, it's called theindigenousdocumentary.com. It's a 2-year project. It starts October 3rd. Well, I've already started 3 interviews, and I'm going to start putting little pieces out of those interviews. But I do travel the world, and I do make a lot of friends when I do that. So this is Deep Brain Chain. Oh, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take my advice. I'm just sharing it so that, I don't have to repeat myself with my friends. deepbrainchain.org. So what I do is I go to Kucoin, and then I go to market, and I sort it to see what has the most growth, and that's under a penny. These I think are between 2 to 6 cents each. So Deep Brain Chain, it's AI computing. Watch the video. I'm not going to do that, but you guys can watch the video. Was established in November 2017. Blah, blah, blah. So it's been around for a while, so it has some kind of history. It's not like one of these new ones that you don't know what's going to happen. So definitely look up Deep Brain Chain. The code is DBC. D as in dog, B as in boy, C as in cat. This is the Twitter. This is what it looks like. At Deep Brain Chain. The website is here. deepbrainchain.org. And then you can look at the followings. Modify your on-chain identity on DBC Net, adding your I don't have WeChat. The deposit for DBC is available. How to participate. All right, so that's what's going on with that one. Take a look, do your research. Do not believe everything that I say. Right now it's at less than a penny. It's at 0.006. It's like half a cent, a little bit more than half a cent. So this is the year to date. So the highest that it was at 0.03. And right now it's at 0.005. So there is potential. It was at 2 to 3 cents for it to grow. This spike was in last year. And that was like when that big pump was going on. Oh, last year, this year, when everybody was getting into crypto and it was going crazy. So I just got in here, which I'm pretty happy about. And then we'll see what happens as it goes up. If you guys get any news saying that something's going on with this, you're going to close, please let me know. Too crazy. This is supposed to be like a gaming thing, I think. Decline all. All right. And so I've been hearing a lot about this. This is like all over Reddit and stuff like that. It's 2CRZ, right? 2CRZ. You can get it on Trust Wallet. You can get it on Binance. You can get it on Kucoin. I got it on Kucoin for like $10. I got 300 shares. It's not a lot, but I think it's 300. Yeah. The other one, the Deep Brain, I got like 1,800 or 1,200 for $10. These are all experimental to me. I'm not willing to put in like $100. I'm sure if I did, I would make a ton of money, but I'm not confident enough, and I'm only playing with my profits. So I really don't want to do that, right? Congratulations, you won. You have full ownership now. Well, that's cute. I don't know what this is. Realizing dreams with industry altering. It's an NFT platform. But they have a lot of deals with people. Like they have a lot of collaborations. Okay, whatever. I don't want to go into all this. You guys can do this. 2crazynft.com. And let's go down to the Twitter. The Twitter. I'm one of those people. And you can email them. I do not like cryptos where you can't email somebody. So annoying. So you can go ahead. This is what it looks like. 2crazylive. We're excited to welcome Jeff Gross, renowned professional poker player. Trust it's Wall Street Journal. Rose Finance strategically partner. Yeah, a lot of people are partnering with these people. So I would definitely take a look at that. Now don't buy it. Just take a look at it. Like, just look at it. Learn what you like. Listen to your intuition. Your intuition will tell you what you should be getting. CP chain, cyber physical chain, a new distributed infrastructure for generation IoT. I am not one of these people. I just, if it sounds good, I go for it. CPC chain is a new distributed infrastructure for next gen, whatever. Fundamental data platform. It sounds good. I mean, I probably should get more of this, but let's see what it did on CoinMarketCap. These are their partners. This is basically an international company. What is the Twitter saying? Hello, Twitter. For next generation Internet of Things. Just want to say we have never left, but have been insisting on our original intention. All right, so they've been around for a while and they haven't been doing that great. I mean, like they haven't been doing much, like in the eye. I'm guessing based on what that says. Crazy day, we can do it, but it looks like they're doing stuff. That's what I got. That's what I inferred from that statement. Not that that's what they're saying. Another national patent recently obtained by CPG. All right, you know what? I put $10 in. I'm okay. Only put what you're willing to risk or lose. I'm playing with profits, so I'm not putting my cash in. It's not like I'm depositing anything. I'm just playing with the profits that I make, and then I convert that to like BTC, Ethereum, or USDT, and then I buy other ones, and I see what happens, you know? DuckDuckGo. I've heard about that. Okay. So this one I've had for a while from when I first started, and it blew up. I think I started with $5 or $20 or something like that, and it's up to like $1,200 now. And part of me, I have 60,000 shares, and part of me is telling me that I should take out like $300. But then I'm like, yeah, but that's gonna be like 20,000 shares. Like, what if it goes higher? But then this is where I lose money. So I should take something out, or at least take out my original investment. But they've been making deals. They're the ones that are making deals with. So this Multivac made a deal with this gaming company, Pokemon or Polychain Monsters. I'm not buying theirs is a lot, you know, to buy their Pmon. If it's over $1, I'm like, no. No, not doing it. Thank you. I'll wait for the next best thing. But this is if you want to get the Polychain Monsters or look it up. So they made a deal with them, and then they blew up and they skyrocketed. So now other people are looking at them because apparently they have some kind of system. It's the next generation public blockchain design for large scale and complex distributed applications. Blockchain try. See, I don't understand this stuff. Trade between the impossible triangle of decentralization. None of this makes sense to me. Technology. For performance and flexibility, pioneering a miner selection model that redefines sharding and smart contracts. If you guys understand that, kudos to you. Do your research. But I've made a good profit. I could cash out right now, but I feel like this is actually, I like technologies. I feel like this is going to do something. I might take out $300, but I just feel like that $300, if it turns into $3,000, I'm going to get angry. But if it turns into nothing, at least I got $300, right? So this is my dilemma. This is how I trade and the problems I have to deal with. This is the one that I want to buy, but you need USDT, and I don't have any USDT, and I don't feel like trading to get the USDT. So it says Ethereum, though. Let me go see if I could buy it with Ethereum, because I didn't see this under Ethereum. Well, because I'm buying it on Kucoin, and I think on Kucoin it's only USDT. So if I can get Ethereum somewhere else, maybe MetaMask. I don't really want to use MetaMask. I don't like MetaMask. I usually will put it on my thing and then delete it. Like I just don't, you know, for a trade, and then I send it to something else. And I'm not a big fan because Google owns it, and then they take your information. You have no privacy. So it seems like, yeah, it's only USDT on Kucoin, but it's an Ethereum coin, which is so weird. Don't even do this because you're going to spend so much freaking money just on the exchange rate. Ethereum, it's crazy. But look at how it's jumped a lot. Hold on. Get over here. Why is my computer not working? All right. I'm having a really hard time right now. Do you see this? Okay. Year to date. The highest was 11 cents, which is promising when it first opened up in January. Okay, what's going on with my computer? I'm so confused right now. and it stayed at this price for a while. So we'll see what happens. But Kudo, okay, I gotta get out of here. I think it's the page maybe. Kudos are smart contracts and DApps, scalable decentralized blockchain, cloud, lower costs, applications to compute. Yeah, you guys do your research, but this looked good. I looked up some stuff. Blockchain developer, smart contract, kudos, and then I don't know, whatever. It's going to be, see, this is what's weird. This is what I wanted to talk about with this one. DACC, right? Here, they're telling us, so I bought it on Kucoin. Kucoin is saying they're delisting it, but they won't let me transfer it anywhere because I don't have the minimum requirement to transfer. I have 300,000 shares of this one, right? And I'm confused as to why they won't let me trade it, because now they're saying Coinbase and Coinbase Pro are listing next week, which means that the price should skyrocket. So why can't I change it? Now, there's like when you go to Coinbase and you go to buy a token, there's like sometimes you'll see a little red star ST next to it. That means that they're thinking about delisting it, so be careful. But why are they delisting it if they're being listed on other platforms? Do you know what I'm saying? So I really don't understand what's going on here. 2 hours ago. Yeah. Coinbase, Coinbase Pro. If this goes up to $10, I'm a freaking goddess. But I don't think that's going to happen. I really don't. Before listing on Coinbase. It's not $10 because I have 300,000 shares and it's not $10. It's like, where is it? It's like 0.001 cent. See what I mean? It's not even a penny. So I don't understand why they're saying that. This is the same one, right? DACC. Same logo. DACC, let's see. This one doesn't have a website. This one does. Oh, the website's closed. So maybe they're delisting it and this is just spam. Like people, I don't know. Right? Maybe this is the spam site. Because I don't see DACC anywhere else. There was this one that had like a duck. This one. That's bad. I wouldn't invest in this. But it's old. So anyways, I'm still trying to figure out what's going on with this one. That's why I say don't invest in what I do because I don't mind losing $10. You know, but I bought this a while ago. And I heard that this was supposed to be huge. I think I probably spent like $100 on this and now it's at $30 because I kept buying in increments because everyone kept talking about it. So I'm like wondering, is it going to be listed on? Let's find out. Coinbase listings. DACC. See? I'm always hesitant to click these things. But that's December 10th, 2019. Yeah, this looks old. So maybe you shouldn't do your own research. See, I'm still doing research on this stuff, but I bought it because everybody was talking about it. I guess I missed the spike. Let's go back. Coin Market Pro. Here we go. And here we go. Yeah, so this is, I bought it around, see there was a spike here. I should have sold there. But I didn't know because I wasn't paying attention because my dad had a stroke. It's a lot and I'm just handling all of his affairs. So I wasn't able to like focus on a lot of other things. So yeah, I bought right down here. And I guess this was the spike and I missed it. And now it's like up here. I bought around all. Oh, there you go. No, I didn't buy then. That's expensive. I bought January. I did not buy then. That was crazy. I bought in January, like February, March, right around here. I bought around here, and then there was a spike here. Everything spiked here, and then it dropped again. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's really going to be listed or not. Because look, when you click on the website's not even up, and they're considering delisting it on Kucoin. So just keep that in mind whenever you're on Kucoin. If you see the little red star and ST, that means that they're thinking about delisting it. You need to transfer it out of there, because then Kucoin will not let you get it out, even if Kucoin decided not to carry it. I'll show you right now. Can I show you right now? I don't know. Hold on. DX chain. And this is another one. This is another one that's being delisted. Or is this the one that I bought a lot of? I don't know. I bought a lot of one of these too. I think this one. I think I bought like $100 of this, and I have no value for it. So I could write that off as a loss. So any of the profits that I might cash out on, it's going to just balance that out. But yeah, this is what I don't understand. It's delisted, but then it says that it's, you know what I'm saying? Happy Labor Day. They look like they're active, but they're being delisted on Kucoin, and there's no value, and you can't transfer it because I only have like 30,000 shares or something like that, and you need a certain minimum to get it out. I would totally transfer this, or 11,000, I think, and then I have some on somewhere else. I don't know. A website launched July 20. See, this is so confusing. Right? And then here, I don't do Telegram. And then this is what the farm looks like, but nothing seems to be going. I can't read Chinese. So I'm thoroughly confused. Big data meets blockchain. So the website is Telegram. It's San Jose. 27,000 followers. So I'm not the only idiot. DX version 2 is coming. I'm so confused. English. I'm not connecting my wallet to this. So I need to get more information to understand. Maybe it's because I have the DX1 version and now there is a V2. And I just missed the window for converting it. But I can't believe that's what's happening. Hold on. Now there's a 3.0. So I guess maybe that's what happened. It switched to 2.0 and I didn't switch, or maybe, I don't know. So yeah, this is what it's like to do. You guys are coming to me for advice and I'm like, I don't know everything. I'm going to tell you what I know. And, all I could tell you is what I know. This one's really cheap, DACC. But you guys got to do your research. If you guys get any information on any of these cryptos, just let me know. I'm going to go because I'm just talking to talk. And that's it. Bye.